Hey, so if you're working with important files in 2026, backing up data in SharePoint is something you really shouldn't skip. It protects your work from accidental deletion or system issues. All right, first, open SharePoint in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Now, go to the site and open the document library that contains your important files. Next, click the Sync button to connect your SharePoint files with OneDrive, so everything stays backed up. Once synced, your files will also be available on your computer for offline backup and safety. You can also manually download important folders or documents if you want an extra backup copy. Yeah, SharePoint also keeps version history, so you can restore older versions of files anytime if something goes wrong. For organizations, there are also Microsoft 365 backup tools that automatically protect data in the background. It's also a good idea to test restoring files, sometimes just to make sure your backup system is working correctly. So, yeah, that's how you can back up SharePoint data in 2026. It keeps your files safe and gives you peace of mind. And hey, if this helped, do like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Thanks for watching.